Suppose we want to write the equation of the line parallel to a given line passing through a certain point. To begin with, we're given this line y equals 2x plus 3 in slope-intercept form. I know slope-intercept form is in the form y equals mx plus b, and I know m is always slope, so I can see that the slope of this line is 2. And I know from the last section that parallel lines always have the same slope. So then if I want a parallel line, I know that the slope is going to be 2 as well. I also have ordered pairs x and y, which gives me enough information to fill into point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. And I can fill those values in. My y value is negative 3, slope is 2, and the x value is 2. This is in point slope form. I could change the equation to slope-intercept form like this one by taking care of some simplifications. If I look at negative 3, I know that that's positive 3. And then I can distribute the 2 through the parentheses, giving me 2x, and 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Almost finished. I need to isolate y on this side of the equation, so I need to move the 3 to the other side by doing the inverse. Subtract it from both sides, and I get y equals 2x minus 7, which gives me my equation of the line in slope-intercept form. This time we're given a line y equals 2x plus 3, and we want the equation this time to be perpendicular to this line. Okay, so we know perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. The slope of this line we can see is 2, or 2 over 1, and we know from the last section that opposite reciprocal means that I'm going to opposite change its sign. The positive becomes negative. Reciprocal means I flip this fraction. Instead of 2 over 1, it becomes 1 over 2. So this is the slope of my new line. I also have that xy ordered pair, which I now have enough information to fill into one of my formulas. I'll start with point slope again. And I can fill in my y value, negative 3. This time my slope is negative 1/2 because the line is perpendicular. And then I'll fill in the x value. And just like that time, last time, we'll simplify again. Minus negative we know is positive 3. And distributing that negative 1/2, I get negative 1/2 x. Negative 1/2 times negative 2 is positive 1. And then isolating y again, we'll subtract 3 from both sides, gives me y equals negative 1/2 x minus 2 in slope-intercept form.